Hello and welcome to my channel. Friends, Gujarat set forms are open and you can fill the Gujarat set form for assistant professor. I am going to share my experience. I qualified Gujarat set last to last year. This is my certificate and I am going to share my experience how you can qualify Gujarat set easily. Actually, Gujarat set is not tough set exam. It is not so much tough because I have appeared in that exam and I qualified that exam very easily. There are two, three states India which has tough standard like West Bengal and Chhattisgarh. Otherwise, most of other states don't have so tough standard in literature, especially. So I am going to talk about how you can qualify with the three, four simple steps. First of all, for qualify, to qualify Gujarat set exam, especially in English literature, what you have to do, just focus on British literature. Guys, in Gujarat set, you will see that almost 80% questions are from British literature. So don't pay attention from other literature like Canadian or British, Canadian or American or world literature. Just pay attention on British literature. Go for literature after 15th or 14th century. They ask questions from modern or postmodern writers, and here in Victorian age, in Elizabethan age, or classical age, or some questions from Renaissance. So you have to pay attention towards the major writers and their major works. And what you need to analyze every point, every aspect of writer, major characters, their identity, if there is identity crisis in any work, and there are some circumstances where you have to remember the title of minor works of major writers. Okay, so overall, I want to say that please mug up British literature from 14th or 15th century to postmodern age, and you have to pay more attention towards postmodern age because in present scenario every exam has some question from postmodern age, and especially from those writers who are living writers and just writing. So you have to pay attention towards the major works of those writers. Don't pay attention towards the minor works, just pay attention towards the major works of the writers. And after that, what you have to do, you have to pay attention towards Indian writing, Indian literature writers. Especially what you have to do, just pay attention towards Gujarati or Marathi writers. In Gujarat set exam, I have seen it that you will have at least four questions from Gujarati writers. What you have to do, just read those writers who are from Gujarat and has written in even in Gujarati language, but there is a translation of Gujarati into English. So you have to be cautious about the translation. If there is any work in Gujarati language or someone has translated that work in English into English, so you have to pay attention towards the writer. Okay, so again repeating that, pay attention or read at least four to five major writer from Gujarat or Maharashtra. Okay, after that you can go for North or South Indian writers, or we can call them the legend of Indian English literature. You can read them in the way you just read British literature. After that, you can just read few point, or we can say the major point of literary criticism and theory. No need to go in depth because there are hardly two three questions from theory and criticism. But world literature is another important part, and this time I am hoping that you will face few questions from world literature. Last to last year I didn't have too much question from world literature, and last year I also show the paper last year, but last to last year, because last year there was no set exam due to COVID. But you have to be cautious about world literature. Just read two three writers from every country, like three or five major writers from Russia, five major writers from France, and two three major writers from Germany, like that, and 10 to 15 writers from America, and 3 to 4 writers from Canada, like that. You can study writers in this way. You can type, if you don't know how to find it, just type top 5 writer from Canada, top 15 writer from America, like that, top 5 writer from Russia, like that. Okay, so you can cover world literature in this way, and you can make notes. Again, one thing which is very important, if you're thinking that any book is going to help me. So no, there is no book which can help you in world literature. You have to make your own notes. Okay, so just go and type in such way I just told, and make your own notes to cover world literature. But again repeating that world literature is not too much important in Gujarat set exam. It is British literature which make you qualify the exam. So just give your time, just we can say that focus on British literature too much, but you can't avoid all other aspects of literature. So in this way you can easily qualify Gujarat set exam. If you like this video, and you can share this video, and visiting first time this channel, then you are requested to subscribe this channel. Thank you.